slippery when wet. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Wee! Oh! I got a great idea. Wee! Oh! Ow! Soccer ball! Give me the soccer ball! Gimme, 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 gimme! Give me the soccer ball! Hey guys, Nick the Gamer here, and today I am playing remote-controlled, truck game. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's, you're basically driving around in a remote-controlled truck. You can do stages and free roam. Today I am going to do free roam, and my favorite one for free roam is ice. Only because you get to slip and slide. Now, I can't flip my camera because... Hello, and my movables are over here. So yeah, my thumb will probably get in the way, while my entire hand will probably. Let's try and go around these cones. Whee! Oh, ran into that cone. Come on, back up. Ooh, soccer ball. I want it. I want the soccer ball. Give me the soccer ball. I want to hit it. Playing with the soccer ball. Okay. Let's try and do a few jumps. Can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Yes! Oh, nope. Not exactly. I got a good idea. I slow down. Not a very good idea. Whee! Oh no. I got an even better idea. Oh, a good idea. Oh, I slowed down, so it's not a good idea. Good idea. Soccer ball. I want to play with soccer ball. Let me play with the soccer ball. Wee, wee, wee. I love this. I got an idea. Let's go do off-road. Should I? Yeah, maybe, probably. Oh, no, I got a better one. The one stage I couldn't beat. Ah, no, not that stage. I'm at this stage, right? Right? This stage? Nope. Wrong again. Guess again! Is it 4? No, it gotta be 7. Yeah, it's 7. This is the one that I couldn't beat before. Oh, no! And yet I wonder why I don't have a driver's license or a permit to drive. It's because I suck at driving! I'm trying to make it as realistic as I can for me, through my point of view. Hi, cone. You want to go away? No? Okay. Well, then I guess that I'll just have to go around you. Oh! I'm going to try until I can get as far as I can. Last try. I always hit these cones. Glitch. It glitched. Now this is the one that's really hard. Up the hill, down it, jump it. Now you gotta do it double jump. There's the second. And then you gotta get as many boxes as you can out. Clear. It's clear to jump. 2, 3. These fans are always 3-bladed. 4 is actually kind of cut off. Ooh, I cut that one just a little bit too close. No, don't go back. Okay, now I don't know when my thing will time out for my recording, so just in case, like I always say, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. That's an actual new one that I'm trying to do, is tell your friends about me. I mean, yeah, I'm not the best gamer on YouTube, but I try. I absolutely try. Oh, and my t-shirt that I've been promising for a while still hasn't been made. I have to get the paints for it and then set up my logo. Oh god, I was not going to make it. No. Okay, you know what? I'm done. I'm done. Now, in the next video, I will be playing another game. I will tell you all about it. Probably gonna be Z Girls. I'll tell you folks when I'm going to be doing a game with another YouTuber. I'll give their name. So, yeah, that's about it. Like I said before, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you liked it. I take game requests. Yes, that's right, I take game requests. If you just request me to do a game, I'll do it. Knowing one person, they want me to do Ranch Rush, which is a computer game. I don't have the patience for it. So if you want me to do a computer game, like, say, Don't Whack the Teacher, Whack the Thief, Don't Whack Your Boss, games like that, I can probably find on the Play Store. If I can't, then I'm going to do them on computer. And like I said before, please like, subscribe if you liked it, comment for games, and if you liked it too. Thank you, and have a wonderful day, folks.